Alright friends, today we're making something you'll actually use after a long day. A Relax and Recover Muscle Balm. It's so simple, you'll wonder why you ever bought one from the store. This is one of those DIY recipes that is surprisingly simple but makes you feel like an expert creator. It starts as oils and wax and suddenly you've got this silky balm that actually works. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. I tried this Relax and Recover Muscle Balm because my neck always gets tense from long hours at the computer. Instead of the usual synthetic ingredients you'll find in store-bought balms, this one's made with pure plant-based oils and butters. It's simple, effective, and something I feel completely confident using. This recipe is part of the Simply Earth's body care recipe box, the box that teaches you how to DIY like a pro. You can also find all the ingredients I am using at simplyearth.com. Let's make it. First, make sure that the base of your Kraft push-up tube is all the way at the bottom. Here is what you'll need to make it. A 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of beeswax. This gives the balm its structure so it stays solid and easy to apply. A 1/2 tablespoon of shea butter. This softens and nourishes dry skin. A 1/2 teaspoon of stearic acid. This gives a silky texture and helps the balm hold up even in warm weather. In a double boiler or microwave using short intervals, melt the coconut oil, beeswax, shea butter, and stearic acid. Then remove from the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Allowing it to cool helps preserve the benefits of the essential oils and prevents the mixture from leaking out the bottom of the tube. If it is poured too hot, the mixture can steep out of the bottom. Once the mixture starts to thicken around the edges, add Marjoram Essential Oil, Cypress Essential Oil, then stir to combine. Carefully pour the mixture into your Kraft push-up tube. Let it cool completely and label it. Once it is cooled, the mixture may stick a little to the sides of the tube, causing it to become stuck. If that happens, warm the tube up in your hands or press the bottom gently against a closed essential oil bottle to release it. Pretty easy, right? There's something really satisfying about turning a few natural ingredients into something that actually helps after a long day at your desk. If you want to keep creating things like this, balms, scrubs, roll-ons, the Simply Earth recipe box has all the key ingredients that you need. Real ingredients, simple steps, and no hidden nasties. Okay, let's give it a go. Oh, that feels really nice. It feels soothing. I smell the herbally smell. It doesn't feel super greasy. And it really feels nice on the skin. The scent is beautifully balanced, fresh, herbal for sure, and calming without being too strong. It feels so good that you'd never guess it was handmade. Want to make this yourself? You'll find this Relax and Recover Muscle Balm in the Simply Earth recipe box. Tag from Simply Earth and use hashtag I made this when you try it. I can't wait to see yours.